Hello and welcome to another episode of Sandy Killer Projects. This episode is just to give you an update on the 1960s Volkswagen that we got with the flipper scrap cars. This car, we decided not to work on it, not because it's not a great project that could be restored. We mostly decided to part with it because it's just not a project that's going to bring us enough value for what it's worth, but it is getting sold today, so this is the last time it will be on our property. It's getting sold with a bunch of parts. So this just looks like a big pile of parts, but it's going with wheels, running boards, spare engines, a spare beam that's out of a bus, a set of doors, spare transmission case, spare rear fenders, spare hoods, spare deck lids, 3 spare bumpers, 2 spare gas tanks, bunch of hubcaps, some fenders for the front, and a bunch of carburetors that we have sitting in a box. So when it came down to it for this car, we decided that if we were to put any real money into fixing it, like buying an entire interior kit's about $1,000, going through the engine, if we do it all ourselves, is about $500 in parts. When it comes down to it, putting in that kind of money is not going to get us much value beyond the running, driving car. And that isn't really going to bring enough to make it worthwhile for us to do anything with it unless we cherried out the car, and this is not a car that we planned on putting a whole lot of effort into. So because of that, we're selling it. I'm not going to go into what we're selling it with all the parts for, but we're clearing this one out, and then we're going to use the money for this to work on. So I'm sure you guys remember these 2 cars. These were also cars that we pulled off of that property. These will be the next ones to go, and we're probably going to end up working on the Ford next. Once we sell that, that'll give us money to go through this one. This one is the one that we're considering to be the nicest one because of the fact that it'll bring the most value. And just like that, it's gone. All the engines, all the parts. Really nice couple came and got it. It's now going to be going to a new home. They were car people for sure. They came up in a 62 Ford F100, a little trailer, helped them load all the stuff up. The Volkswagen has gone to a new good home. So as always, thank you for watching. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. We'll keep making more content.